In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Do you want to make a pen for a Pinterest by using PowerPoint? Do you have a size issue? PowerPoint screen size is 4:3, but the pen required 2:3 size. To convert 4:3 into 2:3 pen size, select Design, select Page Setup. On this window, first select Portrait Orientation and then Customize Size, 2 inches width and 3 inches height. Okay. Now you have successfully converted PowerPoint size into Pinterest size. Thank you.